Hey, Looney Tunes.
Hey, Kyle.
What you doing? Being a goofball? Why don't you go put your book bag away?
Yes, I will.
In the closet. Close the door first.
Yes.
Put your book bag away.
I will. You're very awkward.
You're very awkward.
What? I'm just saying. I gotta put my papers away.
Put your book bag away first. Hang up your coat.
Okay. Who are you sending this to?
I'm just keeping it for my records.
Oh. That's gonna be funny when I said.
I'm gonna put your coat in the closet where it belongs. Where everybody else's goes.
Hey, I will.
Don't run to me.
Sorry, Mom. Really get that thing off. Oh, seriously.
It's just a mess.
Why do you run to me?